It's a great pleasure to welcome all of you for this wonderful evening session. Today we are going to celebrate the innovation of our students. This is an excellent occasion to recognize the talent that this great university is producing from its vast number of colleges. Now, I would like to invite Mr. Shesha M. Rao to come onto the stage to start the award ceremony.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon to everyone on the stage, the dignitaries. The top three award winners are going to be finding internships in the industry, and we have Anup here from State Street who is going to tell us about that. The hackathons are a passport to internships, which are a visa to the placements. Okay, and this year, hackathon has attracted a large amount of interest, and primarily due to a lot of efforts from the sparks from the colleges and from the HODs, the TPOs, and many other mentors of the students. And we have reached out to, I think, almost all the 240 colleges, and we did not distinguish between any branches, whether it is computer science or any other branch. It's okay. The design is something that's very intuitive, and the design is something that's very domain agnostic. It is primarily about the customer empathy and how the product should be looked at in the minds of the customer. So the design is pretty domain agnostic technology. And more than 50 colleges have participated, and we received more than 190 submissions. When we gave the problem statement, I think some students have really done a fantastic job in understanding exactly what is the problem statement and how to solve it. And we got tremendous cooperation from faculty members. We reached out to all our JNTU colleges faculty members to be the panelist to judge the top 30 finalists, and there are about more than 25 jury panel members who have volunteered, and many of them are here, and they have chosen the top 50 plus, the 30 plus, and then subsequently that was the first round, and after those we went back to the industry. And we requested industry experts, design experts, and both of them are here, Freddie and Sham. Both of them have selected their own top 10. And so if you look at the filtration process, the topmost, the best projects and hackathon results bubble up. And out of those top 10, I have interviewed top 5. And I asked them to give a demo and explain how they did, what is the methodology, how they got there. And I interviewed all of them with several questions. And finally, we arrived at the top 3. Now, the difference in quality of the projects between 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is a very minuscule, very small. So we decided that let's not do rank 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but we just said top 3. You know, all top 3 are winners, and the next 4 and 5 are the runners-up, and then the subsequent 4 more teams are getting a special mention. So we'll be recognizing all those designs today. So I would like to call upon the stage the winners. There are 3 of them, no particular order. I'm just going to call them in just some order, but all of them are winners. The first team is V Design from BVRIT College of Engineering for Women, Arepalli Sindura and Manasa Gottimukala. I request Bharani to present the awards, please. And when I interviewed them, they had excellent narration. These youngsters had excellent narration when they demoed the product to me, and they had a very clear plan, and they are 4th-year students. They did a full and complete design. They learned to design just by self-learning. By the way, they didn't have any electives, they didn't have any background in the design thinking, and they just did it by their self-passion, and it made it really exemplary. The second winner is Hypertext Hipsters from VNR Vijnan Jyoti Institute of Technology. And the winners are Dama Sudeshna, Saiti, Sriram Kaushik. And we request Mr. P. Bharat Kumar Chaudhary, who is also the spark for this team. I would like to invite them up the stage. And they gave an excellent demo, great teamwork. And by the way, they are in the third year, they're not even in the fourth year. They did a full implementation of a web app with HTML, CSS, and JS. They learned design just by taking a design elective, and they have also implemented a chatbot. So that makes it real special for them. Thank you. The third winner is VD Sign from St. Martin's Engineering College. Vardhan, CM, and Diksha Reddy. And Vardhan and Diksha, they had excellent communication. They had very good clarity of thought. They are the fourth year students. They did the wireframes and then the prototype. They learned design again just by self-learning. And they did the project in just 4 days. Congratulations to all the 3 winners. And we will be finding them internships in the industry. Like I said, that's a path to the next step in their career. Thank you. And I would like to now announce the runners-up. Alone Geek, Global Institute of Engineering Technology, Mr. Mohammad Shoaib. And also I would like to invite HOD Syed Mazharuddin. And this is a very special project. This is a very special project because fitting to the name Alone Geek, I think Shoaib has done a phenomenal job here, doing it all by himself. And he used Adobe XD for that. He learned it for 5 months. He's in 4th year CSE. And he did several real-time projects. And he completed this in just 2 days, all by himself. Thank you, Shoaib, and you have a great future ahead of you. And thank you, sir, Syed Mazharuddin, for having encouraged him, and we really thank you both for that. And the second runner-up is JetBrains Hub, Geetanjali College of Engineering and Technology, CMR, and VNR Vijnana. Desu Sarvani, Tanuj, GN, Harshita, and Divya Chini. And this is a very special team. These 4 friends, they belong to different colleges. And they all got together at once by forming a team in the platform. And it's a great example of good teamwork. Thank you so much. And I would like to go to the next category, which is a special mention for their innovation and thoroughness. By no means these are inferior to other projects. You may not be in the winners or runner-up, but you are very special. You did a great job. And the first one in that is We Design from VNR Vijnan Jyoti, Nikita Yellore, Avinash, and Shweta. Please come up the stage. The next one is WebDev from Siddhartha Institute of Engineering and Technology, Mr. Venkatesh, Venkatramdu, Prashant, Jandipalli, and Bhavita. The next one in the list is Team Enigma Codex, ACE Engineering College. Please come up the stage. Sai Krupa Reddy, Lokesh Yadav, Harshavardhan, and Mr. Maheshram Sohan. Last one in the list, Team OTB, BV Raju, Institute of Technology, S. Jaswant Reddy. Please come up the stage, please. All the winners with the trophies, please stay back after the function. We have a photo shoot for you.
So congratulations. Tell me about your idea.
Our idea is to build a user interface which acts as the intermediate performance between the internship companies and students, so that students can easily get the job opportunities.
My name is Mohammad Shoaib. and my idea is to cover up all the theme. I never left single anything. I have prepared or have completed all the website by using Adobe XD software, UI UX designing. You can check it out from my YouTube channel. If you search Designathon Haisya, first video is mine only. So a very great thanks for my HOD sir, Zishan sir, my college faculty who supported me in every aspect for holding me this award.
Yeah, so hello, I'm Sarvani Desu and I'm from VNR Vignan Jyoti Institute of Technology.
Hello everyone, my name is Tanuj and I'm from CMR College of Engineering and Technology.
Hi everyone, I'm Harshita and I'm from Geetanjali College of Engineering and Technology.
So first of all, we did not expect that we would be in this position, runners-up position, because we learned this skill, UI, UX, during our lockdown, and we just wanted to experiment with our skill. So we participated in this hackathon.
Yeah, so we are glad that we came to the runner-up position, and our idea is all about, we created the prototype using Adobe XD, and the complete idea is like we
had to make a design for job searching platform, and I thank Haisya and Hackmania for giving us this opportunity. Thank you.
You want to speak?
Yeah. Winning this competition has really inspired us, and we will for sure participate in more hackathons in the future, and we will definitely win. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Shweta from VNR.
Hello everyone, I'm Nikita from VNR.
Hi, I'm Avanish from VNR Vijay IT. We are the team V Design, and our idea is designing a user-friendly app for students, and we came up with a design application. I'm sorry, sir. I'm nervous.
Yeah. You want to say in Telugu or something? You can do it. Any language is okay.
No, sir. The main thing why I participated in this Designathon, because we participated in hackathons, but this Designathon is something new. So because of that idea, I have participated in this, and I didn't expect that I will be in the special mentions, but this is very encouraging for us, and we will be participating in more events like this, and we'll try to win the prize next time.
I'm Aripalli Sindhura. I'm currently from BVIT Hyderabad College of Engineering for Women.
I'm Mansa. I'm from BVIT Hyderabad College of Engineering for Women.
So in this hackathon, it's mainly about providing solutions for students and faculty organizations where they can interact with each other, and they can have a proper way of communicating with each other officially. So we've provided a solution for the same, and our future plan would be implementing this, and we are also looking forward to learn more in design. We are waiting for many more opportunities where we can showcase our skill, and we really thank this platform for providing us with such a beautiful platform where we can showcase our skills.
I'm Diksha and I'm from St. Martin's Engineering College.
I am Vardhan. I'm from St. Martin's Engineering College, and we are here to showcase our idea, wherein we were given a theme which was to bring together all the students, the faculties and the organizations to actually create a pool wherein they can take their job, wherein they can recruit students and students can find jobs. It was basically an idea where everyone comes together and everyone is benefited. Our future plans with this idea would be trying to practically implement our theme.
Good evening everyone. I am Sahiti from the team Hypertext Hipsters from VNR Vignan Jyoti Institute of Engineering and Technology. We are very privileged to take the award, and well, our idea was to develop a website portal including HTML, JavaScript and CSS. We developed a full-fledged platform where it maintained an interactive relationship between the students, placement officers, employees and the mentors. We also added additional features so that it would be very interactive and very useful for each and every person using our portal. Yes, after this pandemic, we have seen that there is a lot of cutthroat competition in the society, in the corporate world. So we feel that the problem statement given to us would be a really better one to take forward. And we hope that with immense support from our faculty members and higher authorities, we will surely take it further.